about the uses of selective breeding and also the dangers which are associated with it. Usefulness and appearance are two of the most common reasons for a characteristic being considered desirable. So I'm going to go through a couple of examples for you. Disease resistance in food crops is a useful characteristic because it improves yield, which is food production productivity. Flowers could be selected based on visual criteria, such as size or colour. So imagine what we think a beautiful rose looks like. That has been artificially bred over thousands of years to get that big, lovely pink flower. Gentle-natured domestic dogs are also useful, as these animals must coexist with humans, so we want them to be quite docile, especially if they're with children. In farming, animals that produce more milk or meat are also useful for yield-related reasons, because obviously if you're producing more milk or meat, you can get higher profits if you are a farmer. There are some problems of selective breeding though, and one of these is inbreeding. So what is inbreeding? So some breeds become particularly susceptible to a disease or inherited defects. For example, French bulldogs have been selectively bred to have flat faces, but this has caused them to have breathing problems. So we're selecting for certain features which we think look attractive, but these may cause other problems to the animal. For example, there's another dog which has got skin which is really wrinkled, but they get eczema and dry skin and sores in these skin flaps, so it's problematic for them. And again, like the French bulldog has a flat face and they can't breathe properly, and similar problems have been caused in chihuahuas because they have such small skulls. Selective breeding can also reduce variation amongst organisms in a population. So this makes it harder for a species to adapt when there's environmental change. Because if they all look the same, they're all going to react in the same way to an environment.